Hey guys, this is Kunal. Today we will be making green chicken skewers. Why green? Because I will be using a lot of fresh green herbs to make the marinade. Crushing or making a marinade using fresh herbs is not a difficult task. Take any grinder, add the leaves, add your seasoning and it'll be done. Correct? Well, apparently not. Most often than not, if the blades aren't sharp and if your motor is running at a very high speed, the greens quickly turn into black and you lose the nutritive value from those herbs, but not with Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer Mixer Grinder. So the first thing is I have the chicken cut into small little chunks. I'm going to add some salt to this. Just mix it and just keep it aside for about 15 minutes. In order to make this green marinade, I'm using some fresh coriander. I have some fresh dill leaves, some mint leaves, blanched spinach, some onion, green chilli, some garlic, ginger. I'm adding some cashew nuts, cheese, salt, lemon juice and some oil. Now we'll close this, secure this and give it a good grind. The beauty about Hamilton Beach Professional is the preset button. Once you press it, it reveals the menu. I will take it to the wet soft grinding and I need a finer grind and press start. And it is done. I'll pull out the marinade and put it straight onto the chicken. Now, this marinade goes straight onto the chicken, all of it. Now, we'll mix it nicely and I'm going to add some peppers. I've got green, yellow and red. At the same time, I'm adding some diced onions, in fact chunks of onions. Mix them together. I've got these wooden skewers which have been soaked in water for about 2 hours. Using these, I will skewer the peppers, onion and the chicken alternatively. There it goes. There, we'll place it over here and just repeat the same. We'll heat a grill pan, drizzle some oil and on a hot pan, we'll grill them. Allow them to cook on one side for some time and then rotate. Don't be in a hurry to keep rotating these skewers. Let them easily on a medium hot flame cook. Getting a nice color. Chicken looks nice and juicy, very springy to touch. The peppers and onions are charred. I think they're done. Let's just remove them and plate them. Beautiful. And our green chicken skewers done. For more such recipes and exciting cooking ideas, log on to www.hamiltonbeach.in.